Formulas for helping our close ones. Use the person's name when narrated the person. God, I want to help this soul. Give me the most beautiful method. God, you heal this soul in the best way. God, I wish with all my energy that the person is healed. God, in your name, I ask for healing for the person. God, in the name of your almighty love, I send this energy so that the person is healed. God, pour upon the person your word of healing. God, you take care of my deceased close ones, because wherever they are, they need your help.